Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this short video today I'm going to tell you how you can sign in to Apple ID on your iPhone at the same time. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, before starting the video, let me tell you that you can sign in two different Apple IDs in your iPhone at the same time. The first Apple ID can be signed in the iCloud menu of your iPhone, which allows you to save your iPhone data such as photos, videos, documents, and app history data to iCloud. And the second Apple ID will be signed into the App Store, with the help of which you will be able to download the application from the App Store. Now let's sign in the first Apple ID. For this, go to Settings and then click sign in to your iPhone at the top. Scroll down and click sign in manually. Here you have to enter your first Apple ID and password to sign in. After entering the Apple ID and password, tap Done. Now wait for a few seconds. Then enter your iPhone passcode. So the first Apple ID is signed in. Now you have to click on Media and Purchase and sign out. Now go back to home screen and open App Store. Now we will sign in the second Apple ID here in the App Store. For this, you have to click on the profile icon on the top right side. Then click on Sign in with Apple ID. After that, now what you have to do is simply select the middle option. A new page will open in front of you. Here you have to enter your second Apple ID and password that you want to sign in with. After entering the Apple ID and password, tap Done button. Now wait for a few seconds to open the next page. On the next page, you have to enter your two-factor authentication code, which will be sent to your number. That's it guys, both Apple IDs have been signed. So I hope you know how to sign in two different Apple IDs in the same iPhone. So like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video.